In this video, I'll be showing you how you can personally get the meta verification or Facebook verification for your profile if you're on a page or a personal profile. Very simple. So you just tap on your profile here. Good. On here, you just move to your settings. This is for a page, but then you can do the same for a normal profile. So we just scroll to the bottom for a page. You're just going to see it here, meta verified. You just tap on that. For mobile phones, you move to your settings, normal. You tap on your settings here. When you hop on here, for you to, find it easy, you just scroll and you see meta verified, or you just search it here if you can find it in the drop down menu. You just search it with the search button there. So now let me tap on this here since I've opened this page. Good. It's going to take you a few minutes and then you set that up. For pages, they have standard, basic, business, and blah, blah, blah. For a normal page, you just go straight forward and then you go with anything. So you can see there's it. $13, $15, from $13 to $15 currently according to the rate. So you get business standard. So you pay. You need to add a payment option if you don't know. Yeah. So you can see there's what I selected. Continue. Add a payment option. Definitely if you haven't added a payment option there. Good. So you see you add a credit card or any of these ones or anything like that and you pay for it and it will appear. Once the payment is done, it's going to appear. You see your profile will have the blue tick there, verified. That's it. So now you get the verification on Facebook. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.